So now let's see how we can sort data inside of Google Sheets. So here you can see that I have a table, and now I want to sort everything by price. So I want the first row to be unaffected because it's a title row. So I'm just going to go around and then freeze it by clicking and dragging this little icon right here. So by clicking and dragging the line, that is frozen out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort. So I'm going to select all right here, and then I'm going to go to data, and then here you can see sort range is an option. So I'm going to click on sort range, and I'm going to sort it by price. So column D right here, and data has a header row, of course, just like this. So I can sort it from A to Z or Z to A. So I'm going to select A to Z itself, click on sort, and now what happens is that the sort range is in the beginning. As you can see, that is the lower price is in the beginning and the higher price is at the end. So let's say I want to also sort this out according to alphabet right here. So in that case, what I can do is I can go around into, let's say, for example, data. I'm going to go around into sort range, and I can select column B, for example, now and set it from A to Z, and that is how it will be sorted out. But in this case, it's already sorted out like that, and that is why no changes there. Let's say, for example, in the product range, I want to sort it out like that. So I'm going to go around into sort. So I'm going to go around into data, sort range. So I'm going to select out column C right here, and I'm going to select it out. So I'm going to sort it out as A to Z, and now console is at the top and handheld is at the bottom, as you can see. You can also go around and do multiple sortings right here. So I'm going to, let's say, for example, go to data right here, go to sort range, and right now there's only one column that is being affected. So you can have, let's say, for example, one column, and you can add another column. So this is the secondary column. So let's say column C, you want to sort it out from there, and you can add another column as well. In my case, I do not really have so much of data, but if you want secondary and tertiary sorting right there, you can sort it out just like that, and it'll be sorted out over here. And that is how you can sort data inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.